In this video, I want to show you how to fix clock missing on taskbar in Windows 10. So as we can see, clock and time is missing on this taskbar. If you want to enable and turn on clock, right click on taskbar, then click on taskbar settings. In here click on turn system icons on or off. Here you will see first option clock, so turn on. So as we can see now, time and this digital clock is up here. So that's it, friends. So this is, friends, by this very simple and quick basic method, we can enable and turn on clock on taskbar in Windows 10. Thanks for watching.